You read I, you, he, she, we.
Yeah.
In the garden of
mystic lovers. These are not true distinctions.
So
what's so radical, isn't it?
It is.
Yeah.
What do you make of it?
There's a certain state of awareness where individuality is not the truth. There's some truth that we are a community. The fact that we are multiple is not so true as the fact that we are one. He says, amazing thing for someone to say in the 13th century, the Crusades were going through, the wars were happening, all this sectarian conflict. And he said, if you think there's an important difference, this is so radical, between a Muslim and a Jew and a Christian and a Buddhist and a Hindu and a shamanist, if you think there's an important difference between those categories, then you're making a division between your heart, what you love with, and your ability to act in the world. Just amazing.
Because the heart
is the same.
Leaps beyond those categories.
Right. There's some impulse to worship and to love that is common in everyone.